How's it going, everybody? That guy named Don here, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Sennheiser MKE 600 shotgun microphone. You can find this microphone either on Amazon or you can find it on B&H. It's going to cost you roughly around $300, $400 depending what package you get and what extra stuff you get with it. I got the basic package, so it was only about $400 on Amazon. And you're probably wondering that if this mic's so good, why does it sound like shit right now? Well, it's because I'm not using the microphone right now. I'm using the onboard mic of my Canon EOS Rebel T7. And we're going to go ahead and switch over to the shotgun mic right now. Okay, so we are now on our Sennheiser MKE 600. The microphone is currently attached directly in front of me right above my camera. And the camera is also running into the Tascam DR60 Mark II audio mixer. We'll talk about that in a separate video if you guys want to. But today we're talking about the Sennheiser MKE 600. I got this one on Amazon for about $400. Came with a couple little accessories. If you don't know how shotgun mics work, basically the polar pattern of this one records directly right in front of you. So if I'm standing right here in front of the mic, it sounds pretty good, pretty clear. If I start walking off to the side, you're going to start hearing it go down in quality. I'm now standing directly to the right of the microphone, about a foot away, and now I'm standing directly behind the microphone, looking through my camera's viewfinder. Overall, for the price of $400, I don't think this is a bad upgrade whatsoever. Now, for any of you that buy a microphone that doesn't directly go into your camera, you have to put it into an audio mixer like I do. At the end of your shoot, you're going to end up with two files. You're going to end up with your video file from your camera, and you're going to also end up with an audio file from your audio mixer. Now, all you have to do is extract both these files from whatever devices you're using, put them on your computer, and take them into an editing software. I like using Adobe products, so we're going to do this in Adobe Priemere. And all you have to do to line it up is look at the waveforms. The waveforms are these little wavy things right here. And all you have to do is line up the spike. Now, the spike is created whenever you have an actor or you yourself clap, just like that. And then you'll see an audio spike where the audio gets really loud on your waveforms. That's why a lot of times if you look at behind the scenes of Hollywood movies, you'll see them using those clacker boards. You can buy those on Amazon if you really want to. Or like I said, you can just clap and it works just the same. Now, all you have to do is line up the audio spikes on your editing software. Now, if you're using a camera that records audio with video and you don't want to use the crappy onboard mic, all you have to do is right-click on the waveform that is attached to your video file and hit unlink, and then just hit delete. And since you already lined up the audio from your offboard mic, like the shotgun Sennheiser that I'm using today, the mic will already be lined up and it'll sound just fine. Now, I'm not currently in the best setup. I'm standing in my office right now, which doesn't have the best acoustics. I don't have any soundproofing, but you can do things like that to help it out. I have a very loud computer sitting just to the right of here, so you might be picking that up a little bit. But all in all, I think this is a good upgrade. If you're planning on doing a lot of outdoor shooting, a lot of outdoor filming, shotgun mics are definitely the way to go. And I think the Sennheiser MKE 600 is a good place to start. I hope you guys enjoyed this short review of the Sennheiser MKE 600. I'll see you in the next one.